Hi, my name is Alan Godfrey and I am the Chair of the FIA's 2016 Fundraising Awards Committee. I am with fellow of the FIA, experienced FIA Awards Judge and multi-award winning fundraiser, Vicki Rasmussen, to provide some insights into preparing an application for the 2016 FIA Awards for Fundraising Excellence. Welcome Vicki, and thank you for your time. So, why should an organisation nominate one of its campaigns for an FIA award?
The opportunity to nominate, I think, provides a couple of really great ways for an organisation to move forward. It gives them the chance to benchmark against what they're doing against industry standards, so they can actually see how they're tracking, with their campaigns. It also gives them the opportunity to raise their organisation's profile amongst their donors, amongst their board members, which is quite often a really rewarding and well-deserved chance for them to be positioned.
How should an organisation determine if they have conducted a campaign that may be worthy of an award?
I think it's really important for them not to always focus on the dollars. So they need to sit back and they need to be assessing their programs. Has it been innovative? What have been the outcomes that they've achieved? Have they made an impact in the area that they're working in? What insights have they learnt? I think if they can talk about the lessons that they've learnt as well as the successes, that's incredibly important. It's also really refreshing for the organisation to see how they're tracking with these things as they move forward.
What are the initial actions a potential applicant should do in preparing an application?
I think the very first thing they can do is really look at what are the criteria that they're being judged against, because that will set the tone for what they need to be collecting. They must make sure from the very outset that they collect all the information required. Then go back and reassess what your original plan was. What were the outcomes that you wanted? Did you achieve those outcomes? And really measure against your original plan.
What specifically should an applicant include in their application that would impress a judge?
I think what's most important is that they need to be consistent with the answers they provide. You need to go back and look at what the judging criteria is and make sure that you are answering to that judging criteria. You've got to be concise with your answers. Don't waffle on. It's important that we get to the point quickly. Okay, finally, any tips for potential applicants? I think one of the very best things people can go and do is to go and research and then reach out to previous award winners. They are going to give you the standard of what a successful application is. They're setting the benchmark for what you need to be aiming for. Also reach out to other senior fundraisers. People are out there to offer their skills, to offer mentoring opportunities. And finally, I think the most important thing is just to apply. Get out there and just have a go. Sometimes I think that we're just too close to what we're doing as an organisation, and we forget that some of those, we forget to highlight some of those successes that we're having. It's incredibly important that we get our awards out there. It gives industry recognition between our supporters, our donors, corporates out there, and really shows that as a profession that we are serious and we take what we do with the utmost of respect and seriousness. So have a go.
Thank you, Vicki, and I hope your insights may have assisted our FIA members to start crafting their applications for an FIA award in fundraising excellence. Good luck.